I have always wanted to do this, to have that coffee shop feeling. And so I am making a little board here, chalkboard. I hung it myself, which may not seem like much, but I am celebrating it. And then I can put like the flavor here, like today's tea be like, whoops. Oh, we need to get some chalk markers. This isn't really the best, but you know, nettle, rose. You get the idea. So another thing I am hoping to tackle today is this stainless steel backsplash of mine that was damaged recently with a chemical stain due to splashing of some drain cleaning products. I don't want to get into it. Anyway, I've been looking up some stuff on YouTube and I'm gonna hope that I can do something about this. My sink was also very badly damaged. This used to be a very shiny stainless steel sink. It is now very dull, and you can see the drip marks. There's this line across the bottom where the chemicals sat for a while. That right across here. So I don't know. We're gonna see what we can do to restore it. I'm hopeful because I saw these videos on YouTube. You know, I'm trying to use these non-scratch scrub sponges and Barkeeper's Friend. I've used Ajax, but see, this is a polish. Ajax is not a polish. So we're gonna see. Official before shots of my stainless steel backsplash. So these look like, you know, it looks like you could just wash it off, but you can't. It's a chemical stain. Tell you what, I mean, I was heartbroken to see this happen. Heartbroken to see this happen. We'll see. Should have gotten my sponge wet first, huh? Okay. Well, whatever. I'm going to try doing like half so I can really see if it's making a difference here. See if this is going to work right. Oh my God, you guys, I really think it's working. I am going to cry if this works. Y'all might see me cry. Well, I don't know. Is it making any difference? I don't know. I don't know if it made a difference or not. Okay, I'm going to do some more scrubbing and I'll get back to you. So this is after one good scrubbing with the Barkeeper's Friend. I definitely can see. Can you see? So see how you can still see the drips there? And this area is where I really scrubbed with the Barkeeper's Friend. So I'm thinking that it's working. I think it's going to take some elbow grease. Now you see this backsplash. Not backsplash. You see this back part of the sink. And then you see over here where I scrubbed. So we're going to keep on here. It's going to require some elbow grease. It's going to be pretty messy. So let's get some of this on here and see what happens when I, gotta apply some elbow grease. Like I said, this is taking some elbow grease, but I hope it works because some folks were using like an automobile buffer to clean their stainless that had been stained. Ain't nobody got no time for that. This is some real deal stuff. How am I just now finding out about this? Well, thankfully I didn't need it before now, right? Anyway, as you can see, look, this is this chemical burn. It's gotten lighter since I've been scrubbing it. But I'm going to show you, try to figure out a way for you to know. It's the exact same tile. Going to give it a scrub and then show you. Okay, so I'm not going to lie, it took a fair amount of elbow grease. But look, these are acid stains. This stain is from acid, like the acid used to open a drain. So these are the ones that I did. Let's see, I got this one here to work on. Definitely lighter. It takes some work. But again, these are acid stains. I thought they were going nowhere. Let's rinse it off. I can definitely say that it works. And that was my main concern, is was it even going to work? Right? I mean, I still see, now see, look at all that. You see what it got off? That's that acid, the tarnish, the chemical stain that was on it. Now, I have some stainless steel cleaner that I'm going to use to bring it all the way back. Let's take it all the way back. Okay, this is the sink after round 2 or 3, I don't know anymore, with the barkeeper's friend. I'm seeing the glow start to come back on it. Still, like I said, see right in here where it's really still dark. I mean, I see the glow trying to come on through, right? I mean, it looks a lot better than it did. That's that spot I showed you before. These are lighter now, going around the back. Some of it's even gone. Anyway, now we let that stainless steel polish and cleaner dry. And I'm just taking regular paper towel to buff it. So I still have some work to do, but I just had to see. I had to have hope. Sometimes you have to have hope. So you do a little portion to make sure you're on the right track. And I can tell you what, I am on the right track. This is going to work. Still got some spaces that definitely need scrubbing. But I am pleased and I am grateful.